Hi guys, this is the HAZI Tech brake light controller setup. This can be directly connected to your vehicle brake bulb line and it is working with 12 volt. As usual, there are two buttons on the controller, and with those two buttons you can go pattern up or pattern down, and the last selected pattern will be saved in its memory, and next time when you hit the brake it will show the last selected pattern. I will show you the patterns and the memory feature in a minute. So this controller is capable of handling up to 8 LEDs. You can technically use any color on this LED strip, but for the brake light strip we are sticking to red color. And this is IP68 Waterproof LED Strip with authentic 3M double-sided glue backing. So you can stick this LED strip to any clean surface outside of your vehicle without worrying about its durability, since it is the best strip for outdoors use. Or else you can mount this LED strip inside a light bulb housing to retain the OEM look of your vehicle. And the LEDs can be laid out in a shape as well. For an example, in a triangular shape, so that it will match the LED housing with it is in. The wire length can be adjusted based on your wire routing, and it is connected with this detachable connector in order to make the wiring easier for you. Now let me go through the patterns and I will demonstrate you the memory feature as well. As mentioned before, with these controller buttons you can go pattern down or pattern up. So this is the pattern down button and this is the pattern up button. Let me go through the patterns with you. So this is the first pattern, and this is the second pattern, and this is the third pattern. This is the fourth pattern. Let me go back and show you. So the fourth pattern, it will do the animation and it will remain the solid red state. This is the fifth pattern, and this is the sixth pattern, and this is the seventh pattern. Seventh pattern means the normal brake light without any animation, just a solid red color. Now let me show you the memory feature. So say you select this pattern and you completely remove the power to this light, and if you connect it back, as you can see, it will run the selected pattern. And in order to change the patterns, you can connect this light to your brake light, and while holding the brake light you can basically cycle through the patterns and select the appropriate pattern you like, and then you can let go the brake, and afterwards it will always show the selected pattern. So again, as you can see, it will show the last selected pattern. Let me do another pattern. Say you selected this pattern, you remove the power and connect it again, it will show the last selected one. Let me go to the steady light. See, it's there. Let me give you a closer look of the controller. I'm going to remove this connector, and I'm going to remove these power leads, and here is the controller. So as you can see, there are two impression marks. Those are the buttons. This is the pattern down and this is the pattern up, and these are the power leads which you can directly connect with your brake light power cables, and this is the connector that we talked about. So this is it. This is a small controller which controls the light. So this is the summary of HAZI Tech brake light controller. Based on your requirement, the LED strip length and the wire length can be adjusted, and also not only that, but also the brake light patterns also can be added, removed or modified based on your requirement. So please contact me via email or through WhatsApp number shown on the screen, and thank you very much, and see you guys in the next video.